Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to run PHP in Visual Studio. So without further ado, let's get started. So first go to Visual Studio Code, and after coming at Visual Studio Code, we will go for extension. For that, you need to click on extension, and here you need to search for PHP intelligence. Here you can see this PHP intelligence. Click on it, and after that, for installing it, you need to disable the built-in PHP over here. Here you can see disable the built-in VSCode PHP language feature. For installing it, you need to disable the built-in PHP. So for that, just copy this and built-in PHP and paste it over this search option, and here you can see the PHP language feature. So click on that and click disable, and it's properly disabled. After that, write it another time, PHP intelligence. This, click on that and click on install, and after that the installing process is begin. So here you can see this installed, and after installing this, you need to install the PHP server over here. So for that, click on PHP server and click enter, and after that you will get the PHP server extension over here. For that, just click on it and click on install, and after that the PHP server installation is already installed. So after installing them all, close it, and now we're going to create a PHP folder into our desktop. For that, click on your right mouse button and go for new and click for folder. After that, name it as PHP and click enter. After that, just go to your Visual Studio Code app and then click on Explorer. And after that, here you can see no folder open. So click on it and click for open folder, and click on your desktop, and here you will get the PHP. Click on it and click add. After that, the PHP folder is opened. And now what we're going to do? First, we will create a new file in PHP folder, and the name will be index.php, and then click enter. So now what we will going to do? The first, we will do exclamatory, click Control Alt space, and then click enter. And by this, our PHP code will automatically created in our Visual Studio Code. And now what we will going to do? We will come at this body section, and so now we will first give this question mark and PH, click paste, and now click enter, and now close it by clicking this. Here you can see the PHP code is closed, and now we will write into this code echo space and give welcome to PHP. After that, give a comma and give bm tag, make our tag, and close it. So here you can see we write welcome to PHP. So now we will going to run it. For that, you need to click on your right mouse button and go for PHP server project and click on that. And after that, here you can see we will get, if you get this kind of notification called PHP not found, you need to minimize it, and now you need to go for this PC shortcut, and you go for C drive. You need to go for C drive and go for XAMPP to find PHP, and here you can see there is PHP, and then copy the location by this, and after minimize it and go for this search option, search for about. Here you can see about your PC, click on that, and after coming on about, then here you will get option called advanced system setting. Click on that, and here you open the system properties over here. Click on advanced and go for environment variables, and after that we here for creating a system variables in path. So click on path, select path, and then click edit. After that click on new and paste the location over here and click OK, and OK another time like that. And after that close it and go for the Visual Studio and go for this code, and now just close it, click save, and if that kind of interface comes on, click on save and save. So now what we are going to do, close it. After go to for Visual Studio and then click on index.php, and here you are in index.php, and after that click on your right mouse button and go for server project, and here you can see we created the server in PHP, and here you can see we write welcome to PHP, and here you can see that welcome to PHP is showing over here, you can see. So this is how you can run PHP into your Visual Studio by applying this step. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.